Hey, want to give you a little bit of a review today of the Goli Ashwagandha gummies here. I've been using these for about 2 years now, and I want to tell you there's a lot of things I like about these gummies, but one thing that you need to know and watch out for that I'll tell you about at the end. These gummies make several claims on them about what they are good for, and my experience has been very positive with these. So far, everything that it has claimed it would do for me, I have experienced personally. Now, everyone's different, and so you might be different, but for me, these work great. The second thing I really liked about these is they are vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free gummies. So they are very, very conscientious about those things and the ingredients that go into here. Third thing I like is actually the taste of these gummies. They say they're a mixed berry flavor, and they definitely have a berry flavor to them, and I like them. But the thing I like most about them is they are not gritty. I've had some other gummies by other brands that when you chew them, they're gritty. These are not gritty whatsoever. Very good and easy. Now, the one thing that you have to watch out for is because of some of the ingredients of these gummies, they can get very sticky in transportation. And so if they have begun melting a little bit, they will stick to the bottom of this bottle and be almost impossible to get out. Literally have to beat on the bottom, store them upside down to help with that. But it doesn't affect the quality of these gummies in any way, shape, or form. Overall, give these a 5 out of 5 stars. If you're looking for an ashwagandha-based gummy, this is the way to go.